Hey, good afternoon, International School of Traders. Welcome to the International School of Traders, everybody. My name is Nubagom Tiane. Today, we are going to be looking at the markets together. It's Wednesday Market Watch today. So let's look at what's happening in the markets today. Remember to book your session if you are part of the International School of Traders. Book your next one-on-one session. Let's continue. Let's see how we do things together, and let's look at yeah, man. Let's look at a couple of news that we're looking at today. Some events, economic events that are planned today. So today, when the market opens in the US, we're expecting the retail sales month on month, and also core retail sales month on month in the US. I mean, in Canada, right? The results are expected to be, bad. Let's see how things go. Where is that expectation? Here is that expectation. Here is the previous, and here will be the actual on that time that is set there. Okay, cool stuff. So that is expected today when at 2:30 South African time. And then let's look at some couple of things happening today. I believe that later on some crude oil inventories and new home sales will be a little bit of a mover in the market, will be moving the market. And then we're gonna see what we're expecting today in terms of the technicals on the dollar, right? Cool. And then we also expecting, some couple of speeches today, that might move the market. We need to watch out. But let's see what the technicals are saying today. As we all know, that price action is king. Okay, awesome stuff. We're gonna start off with CAT CHF, which is the trade that we took yesterday, and we were taken out because we were selling at this resistance, hoping that the market is gonna rally all the way down, but the market didn't, and the market has come all the way up, and it's now meeting this previous resistance right here. I'm not sure if it's gonna bounce and continue towards the downside, but what I think is gonna happen if that happens is that the market is gonna come down and then bounce on this level and continue up. Now, why am I saying that? This yes is a ranging market, no, not a bearish market, but that bearish market seems to be broken in terms of its structure. So expecting a retest on this zone, and we're gonna have a stop loss below here, not too low, but below, and then target those previous highs that we are seeing over them. Those are the highs that we are going to be targeting in this particular case if market do come down in this particular case right here. Let's see what the core retail sales gives us today, and let's see how the market reacts to the core retail sales, and then we follow the structure. Okay, cool stuff. Now, what's happening on XAUUSD, which is gold? Guys, on gold, yesterday we pointed out that the market is now, ranging and trying to create that head and shoulders that we spoke about yesterday. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, I highly recommend you go and watch that video. Okay, let's go down into a smaller time frame on a 4 hour. Can see how the market has been ranging for the last couple of hours here. Look at how the market has been performing. Market has been ranging and hardly moving. Even if you go to a 15-minute chart, things are not gonna be, the way we might expect them to be. What I can expect here is a little bit of a push towards the top side, market pushing towards the top side here, pushing towards the top side, and going to 18, 17, something like that, and then meeting those levels, then coming back down to these levels. If it doesn't stop on these levels, there's a level that we spoke about yesterday, and that is a significant level on a 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, and that is the 1866 level. The 1866 level is such a significant level in this particular case. Okay, but overall, long term, we are bullish on gold. I think this would have been a beautiful level to take a buy order, but let's see, let's wait, let's see. I really love taking a trade which has stronger price action confirmations, right? Cool stuff. Eurocad also yesterday rallied all the way down to support and took me out. Now I still, have a little bit of a. My instincts are still saying, "Hey, this thing is gonna go up," but I don't want to trust my instinct without price action. If we look at price action here, yes, this has been a support for quite a while. Here, this has been the support. This is looking good actually. This has been a support for quite some time. This is where markets usually come and bounce. Let's see on smaller time frames, 1 hour time frame. If we get any confirmation on smaller time frames, I am going to be taking a buy, guys. If I get any confirmation, I'll be taking a buy. I don't know if I'm catching flu or something like that. You might not understand. Josie is full of corona these days. Euro GBP, I'm looking to get on a short on this one. We've been on a downwards market for quite some time now, which I think we went on details on this one last month, previous month. So what are we expecting today? I'm expecting a bounce on these levels, the 61.8, and then markets continue to the downside. So I'm expecting markets to reach these levels or push here and then continue going down, right? That is where I'm seeing this market going, and we are going to be trading this one. I am looking closely. I'll be putting my alerts very soon. Then we are going to be trading this one, right? Okay, awesome stuff. Clear electronics. Awesome. Let's look at more opportunities. GBP JPY, we sent a sell signal there, and we are holding a sell signal. So what's going on GBP JPY? GBP JPY, if you look at it on a 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, can see how much the market has changed in terms of its direction here. Yes, overall on a daily time frame, this is a bullish market, right? The bullish market, but look at how I think this is going to be the more or less the same with AUD JPY also. If you look at how the market has performed, this has been a bullish market, but if you go down to a 4 hour time frame, this right here is a resistance, and market has been honoring this resistance, and we're expecting markets to continue all the way down. It's a similar scenario with with KCHF yesterday. We expecting markets to go down from here, but if market doesn't do that, we are going to be taking a different direction when markets change in this particular case, right? Okay. Here all drawings. Let's see on smaller time frames. We're still holding this one tightly and nicely, so we'll be watching this one very closely. At some point we are in profit, some point we're back down. It's okay. That's how. So let's look at AUDJPY, right? AUDJPY has reached this level that I spoke about yesterday on a 4 hour time frame. Look at this level, right? I said if we reach this level, this should be best for us to sell here or even up there, right? Even up there. So they just up there when markets reach those levels and start coming back down. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can't see that, but It's okay. You know, when markets move all the way up from clear. When markets move all the way up from this level to these highs, we're expecting to take a sell all the way down, right? So that is ADJPY in this particular case, which is more similar to GBPJPY, but not really similar. So the level that I really like the most here is not this one. On a serious note, guys, is not this one. It is this level. It is this level. Let me delete this guy. It is this level. Insect shape. It is this level that I really liked. I like this level the most. Oh, let me use Fibonacci here. Fibonacci 2. We are at the 61.8 level, which is a good level to take a sell. Let's see how things go. I haven't got any confirmation yet for a sell, so I'm gonna wait. Yeah, let's look at some couple of things. ADSD pushing towards the top side, as I mentioned yesterday. Let's see how things go. There are levels we are waiting for on this one. So yeah, that's all for today. If you're looking to trade Nasdaq, I don't recommend trading it on this broker. I love this broker, but not for Nasdaq. You know, Nasdaq has been pushing up lately, really pushing up. So these are beautiful levels. Um, Wait for market to come back down to these levels, the 14186 and also 14152. Those are important levels in terms of taking the long position here. Yeah, wait for markets to come down to those levels. Yeah, man. And then BTC USD, we saw Bitcoin coming down yesterday to the 28 mark, 28,000 mark, and it was crazy, man. A lot of people were buying here. It was cool. The reason why I would also recommend a buy, but that was yesterday, is because of this level, right? This particular level has been a support for quite some time on this market structure. And somebody I don't know, by the name of Pablo, is mentioned that Bitcoin is creating head and shoulders. I don't know. I'm not too sure about that on a daily time frame. Not too sure. Let's see how things go. But I'm happy that we are here with Bitcoin and stuff. I'm expecting to buy more as the market goes down. I'm expecting to buy more, buy more, because I expect this market, even if it's 4 years after this market should be back up to 64,000, even if it's 4 years from now. Okay, awesome stuff. XRP, XRP. XRP. What is this thing doing? Okay, cool. So XRP is one of those, I'm also watching. It's one of those cryptocurrencies I'm also watching, but it's also plummeting. So I'm watching Dogecoin, I'm watching XRP, I'm watching Ethereum, I'm watching Bitcoin, right? Awesome stuff. So yeah, let's see how things go. And the decade, nothing much. Still expecting, a breakout somewhere, somehow. Okay, awesome stuff. Thank you for coming in. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. You and all in Shalom.